Welcome to the topic series. My name is Roy Paulson. Today we're talking about the Klein safety helmet and the accessory face shields and brackets that we've built to fit this helmet. These are our arc shields here, 12 and 20 calorie, designed specifically for the Klein helmet. These safety helmets have become more and more popular. They're smaller, more compact, have better impact values both from the top and sides. As these grow in popularity, accessories are needed for these types of helmets. And so what we've done is we've utilized the attachment slots of the helmet to build a weight compensating bracket, and in here we have it paired with our new Toric face shield. As you can see, the face shield is conformal with the helmet. This is the deployed position. This is the stowed position. It doesn't stick out too much more than the front bill of the helmet, and you can actually put your finger up inside the helmet and balance the whole assembly on the tip of your finger. You could never do that with a face shield otherwise. This face shield has a lot of features and benefits. One of the features is this front vent. The front vent allows a draw of air to come in and washes up on the inside of the face shield. Yet, arc flash energy will not come through that vent. It's a patented design by Paulson Manufacturing. The Toric design, which is one curve top to bottom and another curve right to left, including the built-in chin protector, allows us to have a shape that doesn't require a separate chin protector for this shield, and still be able to protect. As you can see, it's protecting from arc flash coming from underneath. The weight compensating bracket has a series of features and benefits besides the fact that it is balancing the shield over the head when in the stowed position. One is it has a lever lock system to be able to quickly and easily change out the face shield without tools. And it has a quick release system called the press to release that allows you to remove it from the helmet or attach it to the helmet without tools and very quickly and easily. There's a stop so it doesn't over travel in the stowed position, and a second stop so that it holds it in the exact right position when it's in the deployed position. We have additional accessories for this face shield, and this is our flashlight along with our articulated light mount. The articulated light mount slides on, snaps into position, and you can adjust the flashlight in and out, up and down, anywhere you need to have the flashlight pointing. Second one can go on the other side or not. It's your decision. So with these accessories, the gray color of the arc flash face shield, the weight compensating bracket, the ventilation system, you are accessorizing your Klein helmet for use in arc flash. We make a whole series of face shields to fit the Klein safety helmet. So this is the same bracket as I showed you earlier, which is the weight compensating bracket. And then here we're showing a polycarbonate clear face shield attached to the bracket and for use on the helmet. Polycarbonate clear is probably the most popular shield that you could possibly get for general purpose use. And the face shields can have an uncoated, or you can order them as coated. The coating is a hard coating on the front to protect it from scratching, and it's a permanent anti-fog coating on the interior. And you can order it with or without the flashlight mounts that are here on the sides. So we're making a whole series of face shields. This is a Triton face shield. It looks like the polycarbonate face shield, except that it's extremely chemical resistant. So you would use Triton for where you had chemicals in your application. Here is a shade 5, dark green shade 5 face shield that's for use for welding and cutting. Here is a nylon face shield, clear. This material is higher heat than polycarbonate, and it's also chemical resistant. So in applications such as the paper and pulp industry, where they're using the smelt, which is very corrosive, will not bother this nylon face shield. And then here's an example of a blue cobalt face shield. This is a shield that's used where there's molten steel or molten glass, allows you to see the surface of the steel better. And you can, again, buy it either coated or uncoated. All of these shields, you can buy them with the flashlight mounts like you see here, or without the flashlight mounts as you see in those shields there. And then this flashlight easily attaches if you order it with the flashlight mounts, so that you can then position it in any place that you want to have it, forward, down, in, out, and this gives you additional accessory for the shield. So this is the Klein helmet, weight compensating bracket, industrial face shields. Now, we will be adding more face shields. These are our coming attractions. So for example, we'll be adding a shade 9 face shield. That shade 9 would be used, for example, for plasma cutting. Or we're going to be adding shields like gold-coated shields that are for where you're doing very, very high temperature furnace work and you have to be up close to the work. It reflects the heat away from the face. As we develop those face shields, we'll be posting those onto the website and you'll be able to order them very soon. This is the weight compensating bracket for the Klein helmet. All these different safety helmets require different attachments. So we've built attachments that are specific to every helmet. So this is the model WCB-KN. This Klein design fits the helmet perfectly, and then all of the face shields fit universally to the front. There's some features here I'd like to point out. One of them is the attachment. So it's the lever lock attachment on the interior of the bracket, allows you to attach the face shields without tools. These are the attachments that we call helmet adapters that slide into the slots on the Klein helmet. And it has a nice feature called the press to release. So you press this in on the inside of the helmet and then you're able to pull it out, again, without tools, and it's very easy to do. These are the top stop, which is for when it's in the stowed position, and the bottom stop for when it's in the deployed position so it doesn't over travel. And these are the adjustable pivots so that you can tighten these or loosen them. If you loosen them, then you can do the welder's nod to drop the whole face shield assembly, or if you tighten them, then you can just pull the face shield down by hand. There is a detent when it comes into the top up position to hold it in the up position and it won't accidentally fall down. So this is the weight compensating bracket for the Klein helmet. Now just to explain, the reason that we don't pair all those industrial shields with the bracket is because there's too many choices. So you have to pick the face shield that's appropriate for your job application. Then pick the bracket and order it separately, and then you'll have your face shield bracket together, and then that'll fit directly onto your Klein helmet.